Looks like he's gone, Lieutenant.
That's right. But, wait. I hear something out that door. Mumbling. Break it down!
There's someone in there.
Break it down! Get away! Let me shoot that lock off!
That was silly stuff with the late, great friend of ours, Jim Prunty, and we miss Jimbo.
Yes, we do. Funny man on and off camera.